Hi guys, it's Mrs. Siebert here in the studio, and I'm going to show you how to make a zine. You have some instructions about this first assignment, but when I first looked at this part about how to fold it, I said, what? So I don't want you to feel like, what am I going to do? This looks too hard. So anyways, it's actually really easy. So just watch and I'll walk you through it. And you should end up with 8 pages. So let's turn this down to my desktop. Here we go. Let's get these little messy things out of the way. Okay, and so you're going to fold the paper into eighths. All right, once this way, again this way. This is just regular old copy paper, and then a long way. So you're going to know if you did it right when you open it up, if you can actually look at this and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means you actually folded it into eighths. So you're going to fold it up and make a little dotted line where you want to cut. Now I got to point out, if you fold this in half, there's an open edge and a closed edge, like a seam here. So you want to do your dotted line on the closed edge. Ta-da! That's where you're going to fold it. I mean, that's where you're going to cut it, rather. I'm going to take my scissors and cut right into the middle there. And then this part, this nifty diagram that looks like this 3D box in the middle, you're gonna do that next by opening it up and folding these down, and then this kind of looks like a little mouth. You're going to push this together, and now I've got these 4 sections sticking out, and then close them up like that. Watch it again. Folding these 2 ends makes it pop up, and then push this together. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and then you just fold them in. And if you've got it, you should be able to go like this. 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to be your back cover. So now I have 8 sections here. In your instructions, it gives you a prompt for all of the 8 pages, but the purpose of this project is for me to get to know you. And if I already know you, I'd love to know what quarantine has been like for you. What have you been up to? What do you miss most? There's some really great questions, but if you do yours a little bit differently, or you don't answer every single one of those 8 questions, and you just want to tell me about you and what makes you unique, what do you love to do? What have you been doing during quarantine? That's okay too. So the most important thing though is to put your name and your grade on the front, and if we have some sort of class section, that would be great, because what I'd really like is to collect these and see them in person. You might not have your sketchbooks yet. Can't wait to see what you guys have been up to.